To Secretary Remulla, you said that the LGUs will have a bigger role in basic services. How will this look alongside the new provision in the 2026 GAA that bans political involvement? Will the DILG have anti-EPAL guidelines?
Anti-alcohol guidelines are enshrined already in the laws of in the rules of the DBM and the rules of the Office of the President. Ang anti-alcohol guidelines naman klaro na. Pag may violation ng mga politicians, ang tinatawag namin ng mga mamamayan na picturean, ipost sa Facebook at pwede namin imbestigahan. Bawal ilagay ang pangalan na silang nagpagawa, bawal lagay ang kanilang logo, bawal lagay ang kanilang picture. May basic guidelines ang ano nakalagay doon. Project, date awarded, date to be started, contractor, date to be finished, at source of funds. Ayun lang. So, yung anti-EPAL campaign, hindi ho sa amin nakasalalay yan, kundi sa mamamayan. I-report nila para magawa namin ang action.